Let's take a look at how to create these op art figures quickly and efficiently. In this video, I'm going to assume that you already have the base objects. If you have no idea how to create them, or if you want to know how to create those efficiently as well, I have another video that I've linked in the description. We're going to start with the one on the right. These are just some lines and some concentric circles that are a little bit out of center. In order to create this efficiently, what we need is first to connect all these straight lines. I'm going to select them all and then just deselect the circles which are grouped. And now I have just the lines. Let's connect them by going to Object, Path, Join. So now they're connected to one line. And we need to check this now. So in some places that is not working well. Let's select that, and I'm going to introduce an anchor point here and just move that out, and then the same for this one here and here as well. And now what we also need to do is find the two loose ends. So one is here and the other one is there. They need to be connected as well. But the connection needs to be outside, like this. And now we're nearly done, because all we need to do is make a compound path out of these. And compound paths are better if there are no groups in them. So let's first take this and ungroup it. Then select them all and go to Object, Compound Path, Make, like this. And now all we need to do is just swap fill and stroke, and we are done. Sometimes this might not look like that initially. So what you then need to do is go to Window, Attributes, and in here, check this button. If it's here, you see that does not work, but if you check that one, it's fine. The next thing is, we probably want to invert this, or maybe fill the other ones as well, because they are now see-through. And also we want to get rid of those black things. Now, first of all, before I'm going to do that, I'm going to apply the same technique to this one here. So these are just wavy lines and rotate it. And I'm going to select all of that, go to Object, Path, Join, and then we also need to find the loose ends. One is up here and the other one is down there. So let's just check them out. And I'm going to pick this one up, go out of here, connect them. And here, we're just going to swap fill and stroke, and we're there. So this one here needs to be inverted, as you can see. So what's empty here is filled there. How do we do that? Now, for that, we also do not need the shape builder tool and click every single one of these, but the Live Paint Bucket tool has a nice, efficient function for that. I'm going to select it. And then let's just select another color. So it needs to be just different. And now put the bucket over here and click 3 times. So you need a triple click. And then this is filled. And if you want to now unfill the black ones, go to this one here and another. Triple click, like this. And this is now done. But of course, you need to now build the actual shapes. So for that, you just go to Expand. And then automatically everything that is not filled gets deleted. And the same is what we're going to apply to this one. I'm first going to make a duplicate. So first of all, I'm going to assume we just want to fill the ones that are looking white here, but are actually unfilled. So let's just go to the Live Paint Bucket. And this time I'm going to select yellow and triple click. And now what we can do, select none and fill those that we want to have gone. So this, and you can click and drag the tool. So click and drag. And now again, just expand this. And there's another one that needs to be gone. So that can be selected and deleted, and then you're done. And for this here, also we can do the same. So just take the tool. With the arrow keys, you can switch the colors and just fill that with none to just make it gone after expanding. That's all you need to do. Pretty quick, right?